Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. My name is Arman Hussain Ripon. I am a student of Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. Talking about skills, my proficiency lies in competitive programming, graphic design, and web development. I have participated in programming competitions like Takeoff and many online contests. I utilize VS Code and Python for coding proficiency, Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop for multimedia crafting, and Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel for impactful presentations. My journey in education has been one of the excellence and achievements, graduating from Bogura Jilai School and Shah Sultan College with a perfect GPA of 5 in both SSC and HSC. I have always strived for academic excellence in my pursuit of knowledge. But education doesn't end in the classroom for me. I am constantly hungry for new knowledge, technology related information. I am always eager to stay ahead of the curve. My ultimate goal is to leverage my skills and knowledge to make a positive impact in the world. Throughout innovative solution, transformative projects, or simplify spreading awareness, I am committed to using technology as a force for good. So if you are looking for a dynamic and creative individual to join your team or project, look no further. I am Arman Hussain Ripon and I am ready to turn ideas into reality. That's all about my resume. Thank you for watching.